Elon Musk shares secret of what inspired him to start SpaceX. Tesla CEO Elon Musk recently shared the secret of what really inspired him to begin his SpaceX journey, his love for science fiction. Since teenage, Musk has always been enamored by science fiction series and felt a personal obligation for the fate of mankind, according to Elon Musk, Tesla, SpaceX, and the quest for a fantastic future, Ashlee Vance's biography of Elon Musk. His love for science fiction resonates even now, as he recently recommended one of his favouite fictions to everyone. In a tweet titled, "Worth Sharing," Musk recommended one of Issac Asimov's 7-set novel, Foundation, science fiction. Foundation is a series of science fiction book series by American author and scientist Issac Asimov that describes a fictional galactic empire that talks about the collapse and rebirth of a vast interstellar empire in the universe of the future, according to Encyclopedia Britannica. Musk's love for books is also evident in his cleaner, more fuel-efficient approach in work and in building spaceships. According to the biography, Musk presses on cleaner energy technology or build spaceships to extend the human species' reach in the future. Another Guardian article published back in 2013 reiterated Musk's vision when he shared, "The lessons of history would suggest that civilizations move in cycles," and consequently, inspiring him to pursue space exploration and further mankind's upward cycle. He also told Guardian, "Given that this is the first time in 4.5 billion years where it's been possible for humanity to extend life beyond Earth, it seems like we'd be wise to act while the window was open and not count on the fact it will be open a long time." Having started the SpaceX mission back in 2002, the Tesla CEO has always been influenced by the Foundation series. In 2018, Musk had tweeted how philosophy had been underlying his actions and influencing him forever. No points for guessing, it's Douglas Adams and Issac Asimov. Starting with Project Tesla in 2003, the 48-year-old billionaire's current net worth is $43.6 billion, according to Forbes. Hope you enjoyed and learned something new. Thanks for watching.